Hi, I'm Natalie from Taste Lovely. Today I am partnering with Chomps here on their channel. I'm gonna take you with me to Trader Joe's. We're gonna walk around the store. I'm gonna show you my favorite keto-friendly snack finds that you can get at Trader Joe's. After snacks, I'm gonna show you 2 recipes that use 5 ingredients or less that are perfect for lunch or dinner. So come on, let's head to Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's has so many great snacks and a lot of them are keto friendly too. My favorite by far is definitely Chomps. I love that Trader Joe's has them in store. They're made with free range turkey, 100% grass-fed beef. They have 0 carbs, but 9 to 10 grams of protein. And they also travel so well because they don't need to be refrigerated. For veggies, I love mini peppers. They're crunchy and sweet and have way less seeds. If you haven't tried the Jicama Sticks, these are a really fun one to try. Super crunchy, great in dips. Don't go reaching for carrots because they are pretty high in carbs. A better swap out is to do celery. I love to dip it in ranch dressing or smother it in almond butter. Trader Joe's has so many cheeses that are keto friendly. One fun one, if you haven't tried it, they have these little mini brie bites. They're individually wrapped, so it's perfect for snacking and they're 0 carbs. They also have string cheeses. I love this organic string cheese and the New Zealand sliced cheddar. Lots of great lunch meat options. I love their applewood smoked salami, mostly because it has such great fat macros. This is a fun little find. It's like a little salami and provolone cheese snack pack that has really great macros too. Avocados are great for keto, but they're not so great for snacking. So a good swap out are these little guacamole cups. It's the perfect amount you'll need. For yogurts, this is my top pick. It's organic, it's made with grass-fed milk and whole milk, so it has good fat macros. If you want a breakfast snack, Trader Joe's has hard-boiled eggs that are already peeled for you. Olives are great too for keto, and these little pouches are the perfect size and great for on-the-go snacking. Look at those great fat macros. These are a good one. If you love bulletproof coffee, I highly recommend getting these coconut oil packets. You can take them on the go, and then when you order a coffee, just add it in to add in more fat. If you're craving something crunchy like a cracker, Trader Joe's has these oven-baked cheese bites that are perfect for that. Super crunchy, and this one that's flavored with truffles is amazing. Tons of great nut options too. I love this rosemary Marcona almond one. If you've never had it, delicious. So many good snack finds, but now let's move on to cooking recipes that you can use for lunch or dinner. These are 2 of my favorites and they both use 5 ingredients. So let's get cooking. The first meal we're gonna do is my sheet pan sausage and veggies. I make this dinner so often. My husband and kids love it. You're gonna start off by slicing your bell peppers. I love getting 3 different colors just so that the dish is really colorful. And then I'm gonna do red onion, slice it all into bite-sized pieces. I'm gonna put down parchment paper on my sheet pan for easy cleanup, drizzle down avocado oil and put the veggies right on the sheet pan and then toss it to coat the veggies in the avocado oil. Push them to one side. On the other side, I'm gonna add on the broccoli that's already chopped, drizzle that in avocado oil, season it with kosher salt. For sausages, Trader Joe's has tons of options. I think my favorite might be this organic sweet Italian chicken sausage. It's really low in carb. I like putting it on top of the bell peppers so it seasons them as it roasts. Now the oven does all the work. When it's done, you just pull it out and it is ready to serve up. So you're gonna get really good fiber from the broccoli and the low carb sausages, and bell peppers add crunch and sweetness. And then for fat macros, add on some avocado. This one's so good. I definitely recommend doubling the recipe so you'll have leftovers for lunch the next day. Next, we're gonna make my Salsa Verde chicken tacos. This is such a favorite. Look how easy this is. You're just gonna add boneless, skinless chicken thighs to your Instant Pot along with a jar of their Salsa Verde. It's a mild spice, so if you don't like spice, don't worry, this is a perfect one for you. You're gonna cook them in the Instant Pot till they're nice and steamy, then remove them from the Instant Pot to a sheet pan, and you're going to use 2 forks to shred them into bite-sized pieces. I like to add back in some of the cooking liquid, which is gonna help the chicken stay nice and juicy. And then I'll give it a seasoning with kosher salt to give it tons of flavor. And this is the best part. You're gonna add it into your oven and broil it until it's nice and crispy like this. Oh my gosh, it is so good. Then you're gonna make your tacos. I love Trader Joe's Jicama Wraps. It's a great low carb wrap that's nice and crunchy. Perfect taco shell swap out. I'm gonna add on some avocado, which is gonna add even better fat macros. Don't forget to season it with salt. Then add on this amazing Salsa Verde chicken. Ooh, this is so good. I like to top it with a little bit more of the salsa and then some cilantro. Now you have the perfect street style tacos that are a fraction of the carbs and beyond delicious. Thanks so much for joining me. I hope you found some great new Trader Joe's keto snack finds and you love these 2 recipes when you make them. Make sure you like and subscribe and leave any questions in the comments below.